welcome back to Ruplin's Diary. We are on our way to 30k subscribers, to 30k family, and I just want to say thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for watching all my videos, for liking, for sharing, and for commenting on all my videos, and for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. I know that everyone is busy, but still you took your time to watch all my videos. Thank you so much. And then I have something to announce. As soon as we reach 30k subscribers, I will be giving away 3 free gifts as a token of love to my subscribers. And 2 gifts are for those who share my videos the most on Facebook. You can either share my Facebook page videos, that is Ruplin's Diary, on Facebook itself, and you can share my YouTube videos link on Facebook. You can share it only on Facebook, and make sure that you tag me or you mention me when you share it, so that I can know that you have shared and I can choose you as the winner. And one prize is for the best comment. I will be choosing one best comment out of all my videos, and I will be giving away that best commenter a free gift, a token of love. And there is no specific rule for this giveaway. You just have to be my subscriber, and you just have to be my Facebook page follower. Kardom, nang litum ngaching honai Ruplin's Diary YouTube channel ta non 30k subscribers ke pleng po, like nang litum akang hon, nang litum support, nang litum nang ke subscribe do na join ni chalo la sikat to kawe pan ningak long menchoro parlo nili YouTube videos do anta nang ke lang do na po, nang ke like pe do, nang ke share pe do na pen YouTube videos along tin nang ke comment do na po kadto kawe pan na choro parlo la pen nili non ki pudam ji ku bang ke non 30k subscribers ke pleng ahut nili 30k subscribers special nili subscribers atuma pan ningkang sampen nong e ke pajir ponji son thoma nong e do sonia bang ke la Facebook along nili YouTube videos a link la pen nili Facebook page a videos Facebook along ke share nai atuma phan la sinang litum Facebook along share po sita men nili phan ke pachini ponji a phan nili phan mukang waya huta nake pa joydun keji a phan nili phanang tag pon ignon nili phanang mention pon ignon la pen eso na bang ke best comment nili YouTube videos do an pen isi best comment ingwai ponji la pen hula so comment nang kipido na bang phu phan nili ningkang sampen nong e pajir ponji la pen la so giveaway long ke thanga rules pu ke avelo bon sita nili la nong e ke pajir jia bang ke nili subscriber sang bong la pen nili Facebook page followers sang bong si ingwai ponchoji.